Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Mobiroller, a tool that claims to quickly create comprehensive coding-free mobile apps for e-commerce and beyond. Mobiroller is a self-service mobile app platform that enables you to create monetized apps for e-commerce stores, restaurants, and more. No coding experience required, and that's true. Their user interface is pretty easy to use. I'm gonna show you. And when they launched it during this morning, I was thinking about it, how it differs from Andromo. I asked a question to Mobiroller, but they did not answer me yet. But two things you can already know. Mobiroller gives you unlimited push notifications, so you will not, as I understood, pay for it. And also, it's easier to create the app because it's like almost drag and drop. You just follow a template guideline and adding apps and content to your app, and then it's done. So it's really pretty easy to do. And Andromo has a learning curve that Mobiroller, the learning curve is really tiny and small. Okay, so that's the difference. And also on Mobiroller, the difference here is that you're gonna get per tier a different numbers of mobile apps. For me, tier 1, I'm probably buying the tier 1. It's enough. 10 mobile apps. For me, it's enough because I'm not an agency. So I'm planning to buy tier 1. How it works, you can get up to tier 4, and with tier 4 you have 100 mobiles. It's tier 1, 10 mobile apps. Okay, I'm saying mobile for Canadian guys and mobile for the Americans. You get the reseller plan updates with all the features: multi-language, target notifications, iOS publishing support, etc. I'm gonna show you how it works. Here's their home screen and everything happens on the left. The first thing you're gonna do, that I already did, is to choose a template for your app. So it's the first thing. You can start without a template, or you can choose one of those templates here, okay? I'm gonna change the template so that you can see how it works to choose a template. Your template has been changed successfully, and now I'm gonna show you the apps. The second thing you're gonna do is to add content to your app. So you click here on the left. Here is the app content tab, and you have here active modules, active features, and planned modules. So those are the upcoming features they are gonna have. So it's like their roadmap. I'm gonna show you soon. Here you can, on active features, you can manage your push notifications, your advertisement, design templates, statistic, multi-app, intro message, multiple language, login, etc. So it's kind of the settings of your app. For instance, push notification. Here they will show you how it will appear on iOS and Android. Of course, I need to generate a new API to be able to generate push notifications. But on content, on the middle tab is where you are gonna find the settings of your app that you can see also on appearance and manage. And on active modules, you have the content. Okay, let's say I want to add a website link on my app. So I come here, I can change the icon of my website, and then I choose the title of my website and the URL. You can choose to enable cache or not. Save, and it's done. You already added that content on your app. You can go on PDF, the PDF viewer I already added as well. You can change the icon, and here you just add the link of your PDF and you're gonna add it on your app. What they have also is standard content, custom, HTML screen, submenu, ecommerce pro, you can using powered by Mobiroller, chat messaging, ecommerce, YouTube Pro, so you can integrate with YouTube. So your user can subscribe to your YouTube channel, like your videos via application. That is really interesting, a way to raise your engagement. In-app purchase, you can come here, for instance. So to create in-app purchase, you need to have a Google Play license key. And then on settings, we're going to change it, and you can sell products in your app, on your app. Here you can add, for instance, a form on your app, title of a form, text. Here you add the form elements like text field, yes or no, drop down, rating, date, time, or photo. Are you an AppSumo user? Yes or no? Here, your first form field. And when someone answers your form, you will receive a message on your email. You can also change the appearance of your form. Let's check another content. You can add news and announcements. So you can add your blog RSS feeds on your app. That's cool. You can create an app only with that content. That would be your blog as an app. Just add your RSS feed, your title, and you're done. And you can see they have tons of feature. Product catalog, I'm gonna show you that one for you too. So how it's easy to create a product. You go here, title and subtitle, to create a catalog image, and then you're gonna add the products here that you created. You can add a photo gallery, favorites, Twitter, Instagram, about us, call now, map, flight tickets. They have a lot of content types: inbox, notebook, to-do list, Flickr, the YouTube, TV live broadcast, live broadcast, radio broadcast, music and SoundCloud, Facebook, etc. So many modules. And you can suggest a new module. So how this works with the modules, just click on it, add the content, and then design your app. Pretty simple. You can create an app in one day. What they are going to do in the future, they will have push notification API, events, agenda, question and answer, poll, survey, task quiz. This is really important. We can create a tool with only tasks and quiz, coupon, check-in, loyalty card, appointments, web links. This is the future. QR code reader, really cool. And on appearance, you're gonna change the appearance of your app. After you have added your content, you're gonna here to design your app. They have many language, as you can see here, many language. You can choose your language and it's done. The app will be in your language. They have a kind of a Twitter integration that I did not understand how to use it, but it's here. I think those are the Twitter settings to use the Twitter in your app. So you need to configure that. You can choose the font size, list item font size for your catalog, the type of loading animation that you want, a load animation color, and then you change colors here, text color, navigation bar color. You can change splash image, list item, background, default background image. So you can totally customize your app towards your needs. And here in menu, you are gonna choose how the menu will look like. So that are the kinds of the menu they have. Also here, you can choose the menu background and the menu item background. So the menu item look like that. Different kind of colors that will fit your icons. And the background of your menu. Now it's like that. On monetization, you will monetize your ad. So you can create an ad in one day and then monetize it with the app ads, the ad mob, and you will start to earn money. So here, earn money with in-app ads. So you're gonna use ad mob and it's pretty easy. You just need to add the code, the ad mode code to interstitial ads, and the Android banner. Same for iOS. You just add their kind of API code that you're going to create an account on AdMob and then attach the code here. So pretty easy to monetize. I think it's a kind of a no-brainer deal. As I said, you can sell products as well, and for that you need to have a Google Play license key, and then you can sell the products. In e-commerce, you add your products and then you're going to create the catalog on the module. I already created one product and I'm going to show you how it works. Pretty simple as well. You add the text, description, and then price, discounted price, and the image of your product and number of stock items, and you are done. Here you can see your orders and the settings of your products. You can change the currency, payment settings, you can use PayPal, iZeco, transfer EFT, in your shipping settings. Here is where you're gonna send your push notifications. You need a published app for that. And here you have some kind of promotion tools. So if you want to publish and promote your app on your website, you can do that. Okay, and also you can promote it on the Mobiroller website, App Store. Okay, so that is the tool. Pretty easy and simple to understand. It may be a kind of no-brainer because their plan is expensive for one code, and they have about on their website. They seem to be already not a startup. They have reviews before AppSumo. So for $79 to have a tool to create 10 apps, I think it's a really good deal. If you need more tools to sell that kind of service to your clients, just buy more codes. You can have up to 100 mobile apps. I hope you like that review. If you like, please consider buying Mobiroller from my link. Just click on the link below to help me to keep going. Just click on it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.